Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technically Unique, and today we're just going to see how to log out on your Pinterest account on your mobile application. And if you are into this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to log out on your Pinterest account is going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the saved option. And if you are just using the normal Pinterest account, you just need to click on the profile picture on the top of the left corner. Or if you're just using a business account, you just need to click on the right corner, the three dot option. Then now click on the setting option. After click on the setting option, you just need to scroll down and you can find option called login option, and here you have this option called logout. And you just click on the logout. That's it, your account has been logged out. So now it shows my another account. This is how you just easily log out on your Pinterest account on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet the next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.